In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Airtable. Backing up your Airtable data is a simple way to protect your work and keep a portable copy you can open in any spreadsheet tool. We'll export your data as a CSV file, which is a clean, widely compatible format. I'll walk you through the process, explain what gets saved, and share a few tips so your backup is complete and easy to use. Start by opening your Airtable base and navigating to the table and view you want to back up. The backup will reflect exactly what you see in that view. That means filters, sorts, and groups will all be respected, and hidden fields won't be included. If you need certain fields in your backup, unhide them first or switch to a view that already includes them. This is especially important for things like notes, status fields, or any columns you rely on for reporting. Look to the top left of your table for the view name, such as Grid View. Click the small drop-down arrow next to that view name to open the view options. This is your control center for view-specific actions. From that menu, choose Download CSV. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a lightweight snapshot of your data that opens in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and Numbers. Linked records will export as readable names, multi-selects appear as comma-separated entries, and attachments are saved as URLs you can open in your browser. Formulas export their displayed results, which is great for sharing calculated values without exposing the underlying logic. When prompted, click OK to confirm the download. Your browser will save the CSV to your default Downloads folder. It's a good idea to rename the file with the base name, table name, and today's date so you can find it later, and store it in a secure location. Remember, this export captures the current state of the selected view at the time you download it. If you maintain multiple tables or different views for different audiences, repeat the same process for each one you want to back up. For ongoing peace of mind, consider setting a recurring reminder to export fresh copies on a schedule that matches how often your data changes. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've created a reliable backup of your Airtable data in a format you can use anywhere.